it yields even more results, because the pineal gland is the gland of the imagination. But the imagination is so important when you're looking to manifest, especially if you're looking to manifest wealth and abundance, financial wealth and abundance. And that's what we're talking about here. Um, but it's not just financial wealth and abundance, but that is a part of it. You want to be wealthy. You gotta. Right now, the world we live in, you have to have money to get certain things that you might like or that you may need. So this sound is a way of tapping into that. It's a sound that helps you, that will upgrade your wealth frequency. Shreem Brzee. Okay. So we'll go around and we'll go. Shreem Brzee, 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 Shreem Brzee. Shreem Brzee, 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 Shreem Brzee. Shreem Brzee, 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 Shreem Brzee. Shreem Brzee, 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 Shreem Brzee. So that's 108 times. And basically, the benefit of this video for the viewer who participates is that I am sharing my personal yantra of Shreem Brzee with you, which is the initiation, and you're getting initiated into the sound. You're being baptized into the sound of Shreem Brzee, which is the sound of wealth and financial abundance and security. And if you just focus on this sound and you do this for 41 days straight, I guarantee you will be into a new realm, a new dimension, a new realization of abundance like you've never experienced before. Now, you can't just do it for one day and say, oh, it didn't work. Because you have to work with the sound. You have to become in alignment with the sound, in tune with the sound. You have to really be committed, because it's not just sound; it's meditation. When you're working with the sound, which Shreem Brzee, you want to be visualizing via the pineal gland, this sound going into the pineal gland, and visualizing the things that you want to manifest. That's how it works.